Hello, fellow crypto traders. I have this approach I have been using since the start of 2025, and it has enabled me to make consistent profits without a single loss. Profits of over $500 plus on a daily basis. I mean consistently without losing a single coin, because I trade futures, and we know futures is one of the riskiest type of trades in crypto. I use a crypto trading bot called Royalq. I've been using this bot since 2022. Now let me break down my approach. Maybe you can copy a leaf. Number one is hedging. Hedging in trading simply means opening two opposite positions simultaneously, a short and a long with equal margins. This helps you to mitigate issues of potential losses, because as one position gains profits, the other position is gaining losses. Because I use Royalq, things are more simplified. I use direct hedging for whole positions, and I use dynamic hedging for sub positions. Number two is automated trading. I have been using Royalq since 2022. I started with spot trading. It is 2024 when I decided to start trading futures. In 2025, I discovered this approach, and so far it has tremendously done well for me. Now, why do I use Royalq yet I know how to trade manually? As a human being, I am emotional and I have greed by default. And one of the easiest ways to lose out in the market is by indulging emotions and greed as a trader. Now, Royalq is basically a crypto trading bot. It has no emotions, it has no greed. So it will act according to your commands. That's why I use it, to avoid emotions and to avoid greed, which is one of the easiest ways to lose out on trades. So with Royalq, I am safe from losing out. Number three is risk management. How do I deploy my capital? Now, I always allocate 20% of my capital as margin. Then I allocate 80% of my capital as equity. Remember, margin is the amount of money you deploy directly in the market, and equity is the amount of money you keep on the side to protect your margin from quick liquidations. Number four is coin selection. Which coins do I trade with this approach? I only trade the top 10 coins with at least a market cap of over $10 billion plus. Yes, that's Bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Doji, XRP, Chainlink, Ada Cardano, and maybe Sui. That's it. Number five is quite important. I only trade one coin at a go with this approach. Please trade only one coin with this approach. Simple as that. Number six is technical analysis. So I keep things very simple. I only look for price ranges, then I look for key levels. When I'm talking levels, I mean key levels of support and key levels of resistance. Number seven is dynamic pricing. So on Royalq, I make sure that my price intervals, or what we call margin calls, are entirely determined by a coin's market cap, its volatility, and current market sentiments. Let's make money. Let's trade safely. Let's avoid greed by using a bot like Royalq. By the way, when you use my Royalq link or my Royalq code, you get access or direct access to me anytime. We can always have one-on-one sessions, and I guide you where you're lacking. I don't sell any course, and I don't charge any money for mentorship, because my money, or I only make money from trading. May the good Lord bless us all. Uncle Investor.